Good morning, students. In our grammar, our 13th lesson's name is preposition. So, what is preposition? The word that are used to show relation of a noun or a pronoun with other words are called preposition here. So, we can say that the word that are used to show relation of noun or pronoun with other words are called preposition here. So, the position here position is given here. One thing is compare of other thing, and also the parts of speech. For making the sentence we need the parts of speech here. So the subject parts here, the noun and pronoun is connected with the other parts of sentence, so we can join the whole sentence by preposition here. So preposition, so the relationship here with the noun and pronoun with the rest parts of the sentence here. So also we can say that preposition, so the position of one thing in a comparison of other thing. Then we can say that what is the use of in preposition here. So we can say that in is used to talk about a part of a day, like in the morning, in the noon, in the afternoon. Then month is there, like in February, in December, in March. Then in year also, like in 1920, 2020, etc. Then season also, we can say that in winter, in summer, etc. Then in is used with the name of city or town, like in Visnagar, in Maisana, in Baroda, in America, in India, etc. Then in is used when something is in inside. It means the things is already inside, like apple is already in a box, so we can say that apples are in the box, the vegetables are in the fridge. So here when the object is already inside something, on that time we have to use in preposition here. Example of in, we can say that we are going to Delhi in April here. So we are going to Delhi in April, so in is shown here before the April. So before the month here, the sun rises in the east. So in here, so the direction here. So the sun rises in the east. Then I live in Visnagar. So inside the Visnagar, so it is so the place here. Then the apples are in the box. So here apples are inside the box here. So when the inside is something, then we have to use in article. Then the frogs are in the well. So where is the frog? So frog is inside the well. So frog is already inside the well. On the times we have to use in article here. Then on. When we have to use on, so on here, so we can say that on is used when we talk about particular day, date and special holidays are there. So we have to use here on article, on prepositions when we are talking about particular day, date and special holidays there. Then on is used when something is outside and touch to the object here. We can use here on preposition when the object is upper side and touch to the lower side object. Then we can use here on preposition here. Like example, we can say that we have holiday on Christmas. So it is a special occasion on Diwali, on Holi, on Christmas. We have to use on preposition. The book is on the table here. So the book is touched to the table. The book we put on the table. So the book is touched to the table. So we have to use on preposition. Then we sell meat on Sunday. On Sunday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. Before the day, particular day, we have to use on preposition. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October here. So on 2nd October, 15 November, etc. are the date before we have to use on preposition here. Then at, we have to use at. At is used to point out time here. At before the time when we want to speak the particular special time, on that times we have to at preposition. At is used to talk about special location, and at is also used for smaller place in a compare of bigger place. For the smaller place, we have to use at. And for the bigger place, we have to use in article preposition. He will stay at home. So here at home, where it is special location is given here. He will stay at home. So home is special location here, and the train will arrive at 8:30 p.m. So fixed time is given. When fixed time is given, on that times we have to use at. Then she gets up at 6 a.m. Here also the fixed time is given. So before the 6 we have to use at. And then after, he look at me. Here's the special location is given. He is looking at me here. So we have to use at preposition. Then under, when we have to use under, so we can say that under means something below a particular thing. Like we can say that the cow is under the tree. So where is the cow? The cow is here under the tree. Then the dog is under the car. So car is upper and the dog is under the car, but is not touched here. So we have to use under here. Then my shoes is under the table. So where is your shoes? The shoes is under the table. So on that time we have to use under. Under means below of something is here. Under means something below particular things. On that times we have to use under. Then between. Between means between is used to show an object is between two objects. Here when the something is between two things, when there are two things is there, on that time we have to use between. Like the hospital is between two buildings. There are two buildings are there. Then building is, the hospital is between two buildings. There are two buildings and in two buildings between there is hospital. So for the between we have to use between two things is there. Then share chocolate between Raj and Chris. We are talking about Raj and Chris. So between two, Raj and Chris, we have to share this chocolate. So for the two people we have to use between. Then a boy sit between two girls. So here two girls are there, and between two girls there is one boy is sitting there. So between two girls we have to use between. Then Monday comes between Sunday and Tuesday. First Sunday and then Tuesday. So between which day comes here? Monday comes here between Sunday and Tuesday. So for between we have to use between two objects is there. Then among is there. Among means more than two people. If we want to talk about more than two people, on that times we have to use among. I distributed chocolate among my friend. So here more friends is there. More friend. Here not only I am talking about only two friends. If more than two is there, on that times we have to use among. The wolf is hiding among the bushes. So here bushes is there. So many bushes is there. So among is there. We have to use here. The rich man distributed money among the poor. So here among means more than many poor is there. I am talking about more than two poor is there. So among means more than two. Then over is there. When we have to use over is used when something is jump over something without touching. It means we have to not touch to the object, and the object is on upper side. Like the breeze is over the river. So here the river is on downside, and in upper side there is a breeze is there. So for the breeze we have to use over. Don't jump over the table. Here we have to jump over the table, but not to touch to the table here. On that times we have to use over. Then I read after my work over here. So after your work is finished, then you have to start your work here. For that also we have to use over preposition here. Then into show the motion here. Into show the motion here. When the object we want to show motion, On that times we have to use into. Suppose he jumped into the river. So into we use here, the person is here jumping. We are showing here the person is jumping. The car is coming inside the gate. The car is already inside the gate, then we have to use in. But we want to show the car is coming. On that times we have to use into. Suppose my teacher is coming into the class. The teacher is coming here now. The motion is showing here. So we have to use into. But if the teacher is already in the class, so we have to use in. But the teacher is showing here the motion. The teacher is coming. On that times we have to into here. We are entering into the funfair. It means your motion is going on. It means you are now entering in the funfair here. So into show the motion here. Then behind it is used when something hide after something. Suppose the temple is behind the hospital. So hospital is there first and the temple is behind the hospital is there. So here we cannot see temple in front because we have to go behind to see the temple here. So hospital is first and behind the hospital there is a temple here. Then the rat hid behind the door. So we can see here the door. For we want to see the rat, we have to shut the door here. So where is the rat? The rat is behind the door here. The sun hid behind the cloud. If suppose in a rainy season, the sun is hide behind the cloud. So we can use here behind for something hide after something here. Then we have to use beside. Beside means too much near. Beside means too much near. So don't sit beside me here. We can say that don't sit beside me. It means someone is sitting is beside you. So on that time you can say that don't sit beside me. Then the garden is beside my house. So here the garden is too much near. When your house is finished, then the garden is started here. So too much near is there. So on that times we have to use beside. The temple is beside the mosque here. So first temple, then next mosque is there. Too much near here. So on that times we have to use beside when the too much near the object is there on that time. Then to show the way of motion, in which direction you are going here. To show in which direction you are going. Like I am going to school. Where are you going? So it is show the way of direction here. Like I am going to the school here. Then he is asking to me. He is particular asking to me. So it is show the direction here. He is asking questions to me only. So on that time it is a way of direct. It is a way of question. So to is there. I have seen movie Bombay to Goa here. So it is a way is given here. Bombay. The people has to go on that time by taking their bus from Bombay to Goa. So it is a way is the way is given here. Bombay to Goa. So fixed direction is there. The people wants to go from Bombay to Goa. On that times we have to use to. Then down is given here. It is used when something fell from high. Something is fell from upper to down. On that times we have to use down. Like the apple fall down. The apple fall from the tree from upper to down. So down use when something is upper to down. Like sit down. When we stand up, then we have to sit. So we have to change our motion like upper side to the down side. We have to sit on chair or on benches here. Like the monkey came down from tree. So here the monkey came from tree. The monkey came from tree to downside. So we have to use down when something come down here. Like since and for. We use here since and for. So we use since so the fixed point of time. If the work is already starting in a past and now during the times of speaking, the work is also going on. To show this work is going on, we have to use since. Like she has been cooking since morning. Now the work is also going on. The cooking work is also going on. But she has started her work since morning and now the work is also continues there. Like he has been playing since 4 p.m. It means he is now also he is speaking. It is playing since 4 p.m. Now he is also continued to playing here. And I have been serving since 2010. Here I am doing the job here since 2010, and now also I am doing the job here in this institute since 2010. So since, so the point of time when the work is start in past, and now the work is also continued during the types of speaking here. Then after is used to show next position here. Like we can say that we shall leave after lunch. First we do our lunch, then we leave this place here. Then we can say that 10 comes after 9. So we know that 10 comes after 9. So 10 is a position comes after 9. Then shut the door after you. It means you have to enter in the room, and then after you have to shut the door, close the door after you. It means after means the next position is there. Then last, from. It is used when something is separated from other. It means it is used when something is separated from other. So for showing here the separated from other, like we get butter from milk. So butter is separated from milk here. So when the something is separate from other thing, one day times we have to use from. Like butter is separate from milk. Then second example, the Ganga flow from the Himalayas here. So the Ganga rivers flow from the Himalayas. So here Ganga is separated from the Himalayas. So we have to use from. The apple fell from the tree here. So apple separate from the tree. So it is apple separated from the tree. So we have to use from. Then I am coming from India. Someone is asking, where are you coming from? So we give reply, I am coming from India. So you went to abroad. You go in abroad, and you can say that I am coming from. So you are separated from India and entering in another country. So we can say that when something is separated from other, on the times we have to use from preposition here. So we can say that preposition show the position of something in a context of other things. Thank you.